hindi marinig yung boses. Meron! Ayaw. Okay. Kaya we are inside kind of... Ano ba? Nasa loob malamang. Kasi naman nasa labas. At etong babaeng to. Eto. Pangalan niya ay si L. Si L.
I love them.
Alalal. Salal. Name niya is L. Si Lay. She's Lay. Not he's Lay. She's Lay. Okay, 419. Nausulat. Nausulatin song. That's funny. She's ready. Alam mo to? What? Number hindi. Oh, lang po yun. Alam mo yan? I think, anong episode? Episode? Galing. Regular season. Alam ko yan. Sing and enjoy. Yes, and it's Puffy. Share volume. She got some nice voice, I know. Huh? Oh. Wala.
What? The phone did you stop? Oh, fuck. Okay. Next.
Say hi muna. Ito naman. Say hi to the madla. Ayaw mo. Ay naman yun. Hindi na. Hi.
Dadalo ko na ko kayong buwan ng bakit.
Ang bakla yun.
Ano yung alam mo ka na sabihin?
Wait.